New York City may be the city that never sleeps. But that doesn't mean New Yorkers don't like their peace and quiet. One post on Reddit in a forum with more than 500,000 members wondered what life might look like if the city enforced its halt on honking. So, let's verify. Is it illegal to honk your horn in New York City except in an emergency? Our sources are the New York City Code, the Office of the New York State Comptroller, and a New York University study on noise. In 1975, New York City passed a law limiting the use of a car horn to, quote, a sound signal of imminent danger, unquote. Drivers who are caught inappropriately using their horn face a fine of up to $350. But honking and New York City go together like bagel and lox. One man who was caught honking unnecessarily argued the restriction violated his free speech rights to express frustration at gridlock. He ultimately lost, and decades later, the city credited the law with helping to reduce noise when they took down signs in 2013 reminding people not to honk. Although New Yorkers might say otherwise. The controller found complaints about horn honking more than doubled in the following 3 years, and researchers at NYU found noise remains the #1 complaint to the city's non-emergency line. So, it's true, it's illegal to honk your horn in New York City, except when there's an emergency. Whether it's actually enforced, forget about it. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis. To receive daily fast facts to your phone, text Verify to 202-410-8808. And to sign up for our newsletter, visit verifythis.com/email.